Hello guys, welcome to my recipe. Today we're going to make a keto bread in just 2 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of almond flour. One-half teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese and 1 stick of natural stevia. One tablespoon butter. Then mix well. If you're loving this recipe, just click the like and subscribe button for more recipes. Add 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder and 1 egg. Mix well. Please like and subscribe for more recipes. Put in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now it's done and ready to eat. Thank you for watching. It's very easy and healthy recipe, so try it now. Until next time.